Hey Crushers, how's it going? In this quick video, we'll see more in detail about how to import official Google business locations into GMB Crush. Let me walk you through this. Are you ready? Let's go. From the top left side, click on the Welcome drop-down to enter the Google Account section. Click the Connect Google Account top right button to select which Google Business Manager account would like to connect with, and then in a second step, click the Continue button and choose locations that are desired for syncing to complete the process. Always remember that the limit of locations you can import depends on the subscription you purchase. Once the main email account that manages all your business locations has been synced with our app, select which listings you want to connect to GMB Crush. Then scroll down and click the Update button to complete the process. The My GMB section will show you all newly imported listings. In case you import new lists, all new imported lists will always be placed on top. All lists you have access to as a manager are highlighted in orange. All lists that you don't have access to but want to audit will be highlighted in blue. Any list that you don't have access to will be called virtual lists. In the next videos, we will see together how to perform audits of lists to which you do not have access. To further narrow down your results, you can apply several filters or search for a property directly. I know that you're excited about the next stage in your business journey, and I can't wait to help make it happen. See you in the next video.